Today on Southern Accent Foods, I'm going to have a look at these 2 cans of chicken and dumplings. I'm going to try the brand that I'm most familiar with, the Dinty Moore, as well as another brand I've never tried before, but that I understand is quite popular, the Sweet Sioux. I'm going to give them ratings in 3 categories: the sauce, the dumplings, and the chicken. Each category gets up to 5 points for a total of 15 possible points. Remember, my ratings are subjective. This is an exhibition, not a competition. Please, no wagering. Let's get started with the Dinty Moore. I cook these in the microwave according to the directions. First, the sauce. It's kind of a medium thickness, but I'd like to see it be a little thicker, kind of like a gravy. I use a roux for my homemade version, so it really has a better sauce consistency. Middle of the road here for the sauce, 3 out of 5. Next, the dumplings. There's no shortage of them, and they fit just right on a spoon. They're a little bit undercooked though, kind of doughy, but some people probably prefer that. I kind of like the chewiness, but nothing super special here. I'm giving these 2 out of 5 because I think they should be a little more cooked. Now for the chicken. Le poulet is perdu. You gotta go looking for it. There's only a few bite-sized pieces, and the rest of it has become shredded throughout the sauce. It's a feat of engineering that the chicken can be so overcooked and stringy while the dumplings are doughy. This is just not very good. I'm gonna give the chicken a 2 out of 5 because there is some chicken in the thing, but overall it's pretty dreadful. The Dinty Moore gets a total of 7 out of a possible 15 points. If you like seeing taste test videos, click that like button for me. It really helps my channel out, and I appreciate you helping me grow. Now we'll move on to the Sweet Sioux. This one is new to me, but let's see how it gets on. First, the sauce is a disappointment. It's more like a broth, no body or creaminess. I'm going to give it a 2 out of 5 because at least it tastes like chicken broth and not water. But otherwise, meh. Now the dumplings are where this one shines. There's plenty of them, just like the Dinty Moore. Perfectly cooked, perfectly textured. These almost taste like they're homemade. 5 out of 5. Now for the chicken. There seems to be more of it than the Dinty Moore, but it's diced into these almost uniform pieces, which leads me to wonder how processed it is. It tastes okay. Kind of springy or rubbery textured. I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5 just for the quantity, but the texture is a little off-putting. Add everything up and the Sweet Sioux scores 10 out of a possible 15. Let's look at the results. The Dinty Moore was a disappointment, scoring only 7 out of a possible 15. Medium-bodied sauce, a dearth of chicken, and doughy undercooked noodles made this one the clear loser for me. I never had the Sweet Sioux before, but it comes in with 10 out of 15 possible points. The sauce was admittedly flaccid, but the perfectly cooked dumplings and the quantity of chicken put this one on top. Watch this video for my homemade version of chicken and dumplings. Click on the thumbnail right here, and I'll see you there.